4th of June 2024, a day that will shape the future of this great nation. A day that has proved that invincibility is an eyewash. कोई भी अजिंक्य नहीं है. बीजेपी फिर सत्ता में आ रही है और काफ़ी बहुमत से आ रही है, मगर इस बार एक और एंगल, एक और नज़रिया इसमें है, और वो ये है कि इस बार एक स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑपोजिशन को भी देख सकेंगे हम इस देश में. It is really heartening to see that there is some hope in our constitutional idea of democracy. More than strong governance, the emphasis is on a strong opposition and the role they play in policy making and whistleblowing. That cannot be ignored. There is still a lot of counting that needs to be done and still a few numbers to come out. But an almost clear picture that is coming out is that NDA as an alliance will form the government under PM Narendra Modi, and a reasonably strong opposition will take charge of the opposition benches. All the parties in this election have been humbled and shown their rightful place in this democracy. The NDA needed to tone down their arrogance, and the India Alliance needed to realize that they were underprepared. So both the segments have been shown the rightful place, and that is a great achievement. UP has shown resilience and surprised everybody, evenly distributing the seats to both alliances, thus ensuring that they will be considered and worked for. Maharashtra, on the other hand, has shown strongly that values and honesty is prized more than chal and kapat. Saying this today makes me feel very happy that ये एक अच्छा ट्रेंड है, और हर एक पॉलिटिशियन को एक बार और ये याद दिलाया गया है कि सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ आपका काम और लोगों की तरफ आपका डेडिकेशन को ये महान देश के लोग याद रखते हैं, आपके जुमले और कहानियाँ नहीं. It is now time that we put the Nathuram Godses and the Savarkar debates on the back burner and look forward to a resilient, resurgent, reliable, and more importantly, a returnable India. Jai Hind.